welcome back to my channel. I want to now show you how I use Writesonic to rephrase some content that I already have. So I found some content on a tool that I am reviewing actually on this channel, and I am going to cut and paste. Now I think I may have more than 450. So let me just let's see. I just don't I think I had too much content. So let's just copy this and let's see. So, okay, so up to here. There you go. So this is SERP.net. So there's some content that I found that I would really like to uh, regenerate. So kind of freshen it up, make it sound different, and all right, so this is how it started. You won't believe it's in the suite. You get 40 the best tools. I like that. To dominate, you want a solution. I love that. You see how quickly that was? That's like boom. So I'm gonna add another page here. And by the way, I don't know if you have Windows based software, but there's OneNote is where I keep all my notes, all the different projects that I'm working on. It works like a notebook. You can also share it. It usually comes free when you have Windows. So to me, in Microsoft, I think so. This is like one of the most used tools that I use. Is how I organize my different content, courses, and whatnot. And you can also add videos. You can add images. You can add anything, so you can keep it all in one place. It has helped me to stay organized. Anyway, shout out to OneNote, and it's free for most people. So there you go. So that's that. Now let me see what else I can do here. Let's see. I just love this tool so much, but this is definitely one of the most tools that I use. Let's see. Da-da-da. Da-da. That's another thing. You can organize things by groups. Let's see. I don't know. But there's so much more. You see all the stuff that I use for YouTube descriptions, for article writers. I use it all the time for that. New copy saved. I just love this. Absolutely love Writesonic. Why do it the hard way? You know, why do it the hard way? So now what you can do with this too is that you can take, for example, an article, right? You can take this, you can plug it into another tool that I use all the time. That is SpinRewriter. Absolutely love this tool as well. I use it all the time. Link to all this software is down below. It is so easy. You just take um, I can take any article. For example, I can take where is it? I can take this whole thing. I can copy it, paste it here, and then rewrite article. And then if you're doing like PBNs, if you're doing different kind of software, even if you use Money Robot or something like that, and you don't want to use the content that they create, you can always, go from a Writesonic, you copy it into SpinRewriter, and SpinRewriter is going to add the code to spin the article. So you can just take this as is now with all the different suggestions. And look, it's going to create billions of possible versions. You can add that to, whatever propagating software you have. If it's Money Robot, if it's, there's so many other ones out there, right? You can actually copy this and Jive Ranker as well. You can add this article to the software, and the software will automatically pick create different versions of the same article. And you should add your link or whatever it is that you're trying to promote in here. And then it will be propagated with different articles so that it doesn't hit duplication issues. So when you do that, that's another quick way of creating billions and billions of articles. And so I'm going to finalize this, or even PBNs. You can use this for PBNs as well. I use it for PBNs all the time. And you just take this article and you can create, let's say you're doing 10 different websites or 10 different PBNs. You can actually create 10 different articles, copy and paste into different websites, different images, videos, or whatever you're going to do. And then you have a completely different article without spending more than 10, 15 minutes on it. You have content for like 10 websites. And if you do PBNs, you know how tedious it is to create content all the time, to be able to post into your PBNs and keep them nice looking. You don't want a PBN that looks like crap. You see, so this is finalized. So I can just copy this and put it anywhere, anywhere that uses syntax to spin articles, or I can use this generate a unique article, and then I can copy this or download it. Right? You download it, download article, and then you can create another one. So simple, so easy, so absolutely easy. And did it do it? Let me see. Look at this one. Sometimes it does it so quickly. It's amazing. It truly is. It makes my life and my team's life so much easier. Let's see. Okay, definitely a different one. So this is a completely different article. It already finished it. I just pressed the button and it did it. So here we go. There's two. Here's another one. Three, four. Okay. Another thing also that you can do is that you can generate you can use this to give to like a VA, a virtual assistant, or content writer, and say, hey, just go through these. Give you whatever money you're gonna pay for that, and could you do me, go through these articles, make them better. Like if you see something that makes no sense, because it's gonna happen. This is artificial intelligence, is not human. It's not always going to make sense. So what you want to do is that you definitely want to use this content. If you're going to put it like on a main website, you don't want to be embarrassed. You do want to have it reviewed so that it makes sense. Okay, so if you're going to use it on your main website, which you very well could, but you definitely want to keep it. You want to keep it like, let them know, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7. I'm gonna do three more, I think. And that's it. So simple, so easy. And you can always again add fresh images. You want to maybe even create a YouTube video or link to a YouTube video. I always do that because it helps with the indexing. Adding a link to a YouTube video to anything. Google loves Google. Always remember that. All right, so let's see, 1 2 3 4 5 6 7 8 9 10. All right, so that's 10 articles in only a few minutes. So this is like amazing. I highly recommend that you get Writesonic. SpinRewriter combination is going to save you incredible time. Link down below. It truly supports our channel, helps our channel. It helps us to be able to create more content, more reviews, more tutorials. So please go ahead. Also, on the description, you're going to find my link link to another YouTube channel that I have, as well as sign up for newsletter, as I am going to announce very soon a more advanced actual SEO training. If you want to rank anything, I highly recommend that you get on the newsletter so that I'll let you know when the doors are open. All right, that's it for now. Thank you so much, and I'll see you on the next video. Bye.